Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring so the shake blends smoothly. Pour 1 cup of milk, scoop 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, and add a cup of ice. Once the ingredients are in front of you, place ice and milk into the blender first so blades move freely, then add peanut butter and any banana or sweetener. Make sure the lid is secure. Starting with liquids prevents dry clumping and helps the motor work efficiently without strain. You'll blend in short bursts to reach a creamy texture. Run the blender on medium-high for 30 to 45 seconds, then stop and scrape the sides with a spatula so no peanut butter sticks. Once done, pulse in 5-second bursts to evenly incorporate chunks and banana. If the shake seems too thick, add 2 tablespoons of milk and blend again. If too thin, toss in a few more ice cubes or 1/4 cup of frozen banana to thicken, without diluting flavor. You finish by pouring the shake into a chilled glass and adding a garnish like a peanut butter drizzle or crushed nuts for texture. Taste once more and adjust with 1 teaspoon sweetener or a small pinch of salt to brighten flavors. Stirring is fine. If the blender stalls or struggles, don't overwork it. Remove half the mixture and blend the rest, then combine. This prevents motor strain and keeps the shake smooth and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.